I mean, we hit 700 subscribers, and what do I say? I'm just grateful. Thank you so much. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, if you don't know, or if you know, I've been traveling to a lot of different cities lately. I've been to Goa and then Hyderabad, then Bombay, and then Chennai. So, these different cities come with their own temperature and humidity and everything. So, I wanted to actually curate a skincare for travel, only for travel, because I was just coming back home and just leaving. So, I really wanted to pack one single bag for skincare. But you all know that different cities with different temperature is going to impact the skin. So I did like a trial and it actually worked for me. If you see my skin right now, I'm not wearing any makeup apart from the lip tint. I'm not wearing anything and I have my bag right here. This is the bag that I've been carrying. So I've been using only these products that is there in this bag, and I'm very amazed to how these actually did not break me up and there was no acne, and I'm very happy. So I thought if you're someone who keeps traveling and you really want, you know, a skincare essential or basically a travel skincare essential, you can actually check this out. By the way, I am combination skin, but also in the weathers uh like winter, my skin actually tends to get super dry. So still I use the same products and it has worked for me. So let's quickly dive in. So the number one product I have is obviously a cleanser. So I've been using this. This is the Plum's Rice Water and Niacinamide Simply Bright Face Wash, which claims to brighten and soften the skin. It also has hyaluronic acid, and you know that I love hyaluronic acid. It instantly gives you a boost, and your skin really feels like plumpy, and your skin really feels like glowy. So I really, really love this product. So I've been carrying this in 4 different cities and it really, really worked for me. So if you're someone who's looking for like something which is extremely gentle, you should grab this one. And also I've been just keeping this in my bag and there is no leak issue. The product have not spelled out, nothing has happened, it is intact. So I love this product. The next one is obviously a toner, but the Tony Moly ka toner is very, very used, so I couldn't carry that. So instead, I actually carried this one right here. This is the Rose Water from Wishcare. Now, I don't know if you can see or no, but I've almost finished this in I think in about 40 days. I've almost finished this, but there is still a little product left. I've just used this product, and again, rose water. There is no other chemical in it. It is 100% rose water, and it smells really great. It actually smells exactly like rose water. Obviously, it's a rose water. So this is something I've been using. Also, I've been using this as a makeup fixer, the fixer that you get of MAC and Smashbox. So instead of that, I've been using this rose water, and so amazingly, this has really worked. And my makeup also stayed for such a long time. So this is absolutely bang on. And honestly, I've been loving a lot of fish care products. So the next product was absolutely a game changer. I got introduced to this last month and it is so amazing. So if you know me, you'd already know that I love applying niacinamide, then I apply alpha butane, then I apply vitamin C, then I apply all the actives that is there which can help me brighten my face. So I actually got introduced to this. Now this brand is like so amazing. This is by Chic Nutrix and this is their Outshine Face Serum. Now, the best part about this serum is it has niacinamide, it has alpha butane, it has glutathione, if I'm pronouncing it right, glutathione, and it has vitamin C. Now, this is actually made in Korea. but it is actually designed and crafted for Indian skin tone and Indian skin type according to the weather. This is so good. I'm just going to show you the consistency, and also I have made like a detailed video about this product. I'm just going to pop a link there in case you're interested to see on how and what exactly is this product. So but for now, can you see, when I saw this, I actually thought this is going to be sticky, but if you see, it actually runny and this blends in your skin like magic. And I absolutely love it. Can you see? I really like on how this product sits on my skin. And the best part is that you don't have to carry so many actives with you. All you have to do is just carry this one, and that's about it. I've been doing it. I've been using this, and this is like so great, and this doesn't leak. It was intact, and I'm really impressed by this product. If you see, I've already used this much, I believe. There's still more to go, but I'm going to complete this one. This is great if you're looking for actives in one bottle. A lot of people were asking me in the comments. So I think this one is something that you can grab. I did not break out. You can see my skin. It's all good. So I love this product. Next one obviously has to be a moisturizer. Now, my favorite moisturizer of all time is by Dr. Sheth. And this is their kojic acid and Kesar oil free moisturizer. Oh my god, I cannot even emphasize on how many cubes I've used. I love this. Extremely affordable. You get it on great discounts. Plus, it does what it claims. Okay, it says it hydrates and fades pigmentation, and that's exactly what this does. This is for about 350 rupees, but honestly, you really get a great discount on this. So this is something that I've been traveling. If you've been following me, you know that I love this product. So yeah, this one is a moisturizer that I carry everywhere I go. So the last step is obviously a sunscreen. So again, this is my Dr. Shade, and this is their ceramide and vitamin C sunscreen. I've already said that when you pair like a vitamin C and a kojic acid who act us together, it really does wonders. But actually, when you pair a vitamin C serum with a kojic acid moisturizer, it does well. But as I was traveling, I really didn't wanted to carry so many actives with me, so I carried this combination, which pretty much did its job. It was great. It didn't feel chappy at all. It glided in so beautifully. Everything was intact, even in a weather like humidity. I mean, in Bombay, it really did pretty good job. And surprisingly, in Chennai, it was a little cold than usual, which I was super surprised too. But this one again worked there. So yeah, I loved this combo, and I think I'm done. The last product that I have is again by Juicy Chemistry. This is a lip balm that I've been using. This is the Blood Orange and Rose Hip Organic Lip Balm that I've been using and loving. So this is extremely great. Feels so moisturizing on the lips, and this exactly smells like orange. Smells heaven. It really smells so good. If you are a fan of oranges, you will really love this. So this is something that I've been carrying because I really didn't want any spill or anything. So this actually worked. And yeah, that's about it. I'm just checking if I have something else. Oh, I have one more product. So this is again by Dr. Shade, and this is their Haldi and Hyaluronic Acid Sleeping Mask. And what I do with this is like a night prep. So instead of carrying retinol and all of the other things, I decided to carry this because this is a sleeping mask. So when you get up in the morning, again, you have like good glowy skin. So all I do is I follow the same step, but I don't apply sunscreen. I just apply this moisturizer, and that's about it. And this is everything that I carried for my trips recently in the past, I think 35 to 40 days. I am so happy that all of these products actually went inside one bag. And this bag is, by the way, from Amazon. If you want a link, let me know. I'll just post it in the description box below. And yes, with that, okay, so with that, let me end this video. I really hoped you liked this video. I really wanted to put together a skincare routine where or when you're traveling, it really helps you because we cannot carry so many products when we are traveling. We really need to have our essential and pick essentials and pick the right product. I have been filming after so long, and that's the reason I feel and look tired. But yeah, let's cope up. We really need to put out great videos so that it really helps. So yes, I've been doing this for you, and I love you genuinely. I mean, we hit 700 subscribers, and what do I say? I'm just grateful. Thank you so much. And let me know what kind of videos you want me to make, and I'm definitely gonna make one. And yeah, I'll meet you in my next video. Bye bye. Love you.